for admission, serial number 18, Ruby Kumari versus the State of Bihar, for the appellant Sri Naval Kishore Singh.
In the present case, my lord, the petitioner has challenged the order of the Honorable Single Judge dated 8/8/2019, which is appended with the memo of appeal, my lord, at the backside, my lord. The matter relates to selection of Anganbadi Sevika. In the present case, my lord, the seat in question over which the present appellant as well as the private respondent are claiming was vacated by resignation of one Geeta Kumari, who had initially been selected as Anganbadi Sevika. Some dates are relevant, my lord, in the present case, my lord.
When were you selected and appointed?
The petition in the present case, my lord, one Geeta Kumari was selected on 23/6/2014.
She was selected.
Yes, my lord.
Ah.
And subsequently she resigned on 12/12/2014.
12/12/2014.
14.
Resigned.
Ah. Thereafter, since in the merit list, the present appellant
Petitioner was a next
yes,
merited candidate.
Yes, my lord.
Ah.
Therefore, she applied for her selection on 10/1/2015.
Ah.
Thereafter, my lord, the private respondent filed an appeal on 18/2/2015 before the concerned DPO, challenging the selection of Geeta Kumari, my lord. In that appeal, my lord, the present appellant intervened. Initially, her intervention application was rejected, but again, by rectifying the defect, she intervened and her application was entertained by the DPO.
Appellate authority.
Yes, my lord.
Appellate authority is DPO.
DPO.
Initially rejected and later on allowed.
DPO allowed my case. DPO filed his order dated 8/4/2015. Allowed my case.
Then what happened?
Thereafter, the private respondent preferred a second appeal, my lord.
Second appeal before whom?
Before the collector of the district. And wide order dated 8/12/2018.
That is Madhubala
Kumari.
She has prepared a second appeal.
Yes, my lord.
Then?
It was allowed. It was allowed on the ground that in the Aam Sabha, in the meeting of the concerned committee in which Geeta Kumari was selected, this appellant was not present.
Geeta Kumari or Geeta Devi?
Geeta Kumari.
In the order it has written
Yes,
Geeta Devi.
somewhere it has been written Geeta Devi. The second appellate authority rejected my case and allowed the appeal on the ground that in the initial Aam Sabha in which Geeta Devi or Geeta Kumari was selected, this appellant was not present.
Appellant was not?
Not present in that Aam Sabha, in that meeting, my lord.
She has not participated?
Yes, my lord.
No, if the petitioner has not participated in the process of selection, how are you entitled?
No, the petitioner, so far as the process of selection is concerned, my lord, my application was there, my name is the merit list. My point is that the Honorable Single Judge has discussed clause 8.5 of the rules, my lord. But, my lord, in case of subsequent vacancy, that is guided by clause 8.14, which states that in case of future vacancy, by resignation or other things,
Within 1 year.
3 years. In
3 years.
Yes, my lord. In the present case, 3 years.
According to you, 8.14 has not been taken into consideration by the single judge.
Yes, my lord, because in the merit list, although in the first selection, I was rightly not selected, I was not participated, but my candidature was not rejected. My case was considered since the senior most.
No, your name was reflected in the first select list?
Yes, my lord. In the merit
At
list,
serial number, which serial number?
3.
just below Geeta Kumari, serial number 3, just below Geeta Kumari.
What about this
Madhubala
Madhubala Kumaris?
at serial number 5.
Then why the serial number 3 has not been given preference?
Therefore, since I was at serial number 3, the first DPO rightly give.
No, what is the reason assigned by the second appeal? Second appellate authority, collector.
The reason assigned is that since I was not present in the first meeting, my lord, so it.
Oh, but her name is there, no? No, participant means
Whether it is essential for the candidate to remain present.
Is it a mandatory?
Essential, mandatory, your lordship.
Show me from the relevant
8.5, your lordship.
Huh?
8.5 of the guidelines 2011.
It requires what?
8.5. Page 63, guidelines.
It is extracted by the non-single judge.
Two mandate is there, lordship. The application must be accompanied with all the documents, and secondly, the applicant must be present in the Aam Sabha.
Yes. On that particular day, she has to present herself in all the legal documents. It is kind of reviewed.
What is the, she is not disputing that she did not appear.
No,
Yes, you have given up your right. You have given up your right in not appearing on the first occasion. Because 8.5, how do you overcome 8.5?
Sir, on
my
that particular
submission
day,
is-
you have to appear along with all your original certificates. You attach photocopies. You have to appear and show your original documents. You chose not to appear. So you gave up your right.
My submission for in that case, my lord,
Sir, have you complied 8.5 or not?
so far as 8.5 is concerned, my lord, I was not present on that meeting. my lord.
That's sufficient because it is a mandatory.
No, my lord. In case of future vacancy, my lord,
Just take
my
an example. You appear in the men's examination, you qualify, and you don't appear before the BPSC in the interview. Your name is there in the men's exam. How come you become successful candidate? It is just like that. You fail to produce your original certificates. Your story goes.
with due respect, my lord, in the present case, my lord, in case of future vacancy, it has to be the.
Sir, we do understand, but you did not participate. 8.5 requires.
8.5 requires that if a person is not present, his candidature may be.
No, 8.5 is restricted to only one candidate, more merited candidate. It does not say.
उपस्थित
8.5 restricted to only more merited one first candidate.
That is my submission, my lord. Since
No, we read from that. 8.5 restrict that only the most merited candidate is required to comply
it
this.
states that if a person is not present, his candidature may be rejected.
Yes.
The word shall has not been used.
We will interpret the shall.
And my case was very much considered. I have annexed the meeting of the Aam Sabha, my lord. But since there was a candidate of highest marks, my lord, she was selected, and 8.14 states that.
Sir, 8.14 will come into
After
your
8.5.
aid provided if you fulfill 8.5. First you have to fulfill 8.5. Then only you can take shelter under 8.14.
My submission is that this is directory in nature, this is not mandatory, my lord.
No, sir. Other candidates have, the seventh respondent Madhubala Kumari has
Yes.
complied 8.5.
Yes, Lordship.
Are you sure?
Private respondent is here, Lordship.
No, he is there. We don't know. You have to tell.
I have not filed-
8.5 has been complied by seventh respondent or not?
And one
Whether
technical.
you participated in the
Yes,
selection process or not.
No,
You
you
should,
have to see from the
the
record.
state,
Yes,
the
Lordship.
state go through
Just
the
a minute,
record
Lordship.
and
State Council is hereby directed to ascertain from the relevant records, relevant original records, as to whether seventh respondent Srimati Madhubala Kumari had complied 8.5 of the 2011 guidelines.
Two 2011, my lord.
2011 guidelines.
Yes, my lord.
List this matter after 10 days.
Yes, Lordship.
From the original you
I will
ascertain.
verify, Your Lordship.
Ah.
I will file a supplementary counter.
They must have recorded, no?
Yes,
Yes.
In the file,
Yes, Lordship.
who has appeared, who has shown the original record.
In the meantime, my lord, you will directly to serve a copy.
No,
Ah.
why not? That is the process I have. I will
Council may be directed to serve a copy to.
What copy?
memo of appeal, Your Lordship.
No, we have only given direction.
Yes.
We believe in state council version.
Obliged.
To decide every case, documents is not required. Sometimes we have to believe the state council, respective councils.